Hi viewers, welcome to yet another video from your favorite Excel lessons. Today we will be looking into fill series, autofill, flash fill and finally into auto sum. So let's start it with fill series. Fill series helps you to make a quick series for some predefined values which naturally have a series. Example, a day in a week. To create a series, go to the right bottom corner of the cell and your cursor changes into a black plus symbol. If you can see, the white cursor changes into a black one once you move to the right bottom corner. Click and drag below your mouse to create your series, and it will keep on creating the next days until you want. So even after the Sunday to Saturday week, you are continued to get the next days. This will work for a month also, and this will work sideways, numbers. Generally, series copies the same thing until you press on the autofill options and click on fill series. Luckily, if you have built a series and give an idea to Excel, example, instead of just one, I have 1 and 2 over here, and then if I drag it, Excel will automatically consider it as a series. You can have this set up for your customized options. Let's say I have year 1 and I have to create following years. For a natural year available in Excel, it will apply the same logic because Excel will consider it as only a normal number. So you can still go to fill series and then convert it into a series you want. This will not exactly work for the time series where you get an hour series and not a minute series. As you can see, 11:12 is not found, whereas it's 12:11 and 13:11 and so on. For a random date, it can create a series with just a click and drag, as you can see. So now you can try this for any requirement and let me know how it works in the comments. Now let's look into autofill. Autofill quickly does the copy and paste functions for you. So let's say I have a sum over here, which is like equal to now I want the same operation to be filled over this particular range. I select the range by clicking on Shift plus the down arrow and I hit Control plus D. Boom. The formula has been picked up and you can even check it. Control plus D is a shortcut again to do this. Let's look into flash fill I have a series over here and I want to separate the code which is like 011, 022 in this column and the actual numbers which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on in this column. Let's say I have some 100 plus numbers. So I start with 011 and of course I will not accept any number starting with a 0 as a whole number. So make it a text by single quotes. Again, when I try to input, Excel understand that I want a series with the first 3 numbers of the previous column. And yes, I'm happy about that. Except, so let's have this applied for the next column. Since I know I want a series, I select the range and give Control E, and I have the other part of the column, which is the numbers. This easily works for text as well. MS and Control E and Control E. Nashville done for you. So let's look into auto sum. So sum works like equal to sum range you want to add up. Now I want this to be applied over here and all over here. Just like add. Now I want this to be applied over here and all over here. Click on Alt and without releasing click on equal to, and there you have the sum of the columns and the sum of the rows, and finally the grand total, which is 255 and 255. So we have seen fill series, autofill, flash fill and auto sum. With that you have learned, quickly open up your Excel and have a practice. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, share and please do subscribe for more content. And until we meet in the next video, it's bye from Excel Essence.